Guys, ito pong Romos Sense 4SF fast charging power bank with 10,000 mAh and 22.55 watts. So easy to fit, dual way fast charge, 3 inputs and 3 outputs, compatible with 20 watts fast charge. So ito yun guys, ito yung actual na power bank. Ayan. So, ito po yung light niya. Color orange. Ayan. So, ito po yung ating description ng ating power bank guys. So, meron siyang bigat na 220 gram. So, ang packaging list, power bank, 1 piece at user manual at cable 1 piece. So, ito yun guys. Yung manual nila. Ayan. Ito din yung cable. Ayan, malaki po siya guys. So, medyo mabigat talaga yung power bank. Kasya to sa maliit na bag. Ayan. Ito man siya kahaba. So, yun guys, nag-try ko nga i-charge yung aking cellphone. Ayan, nag-working well naman po siya. At saka, maganda po siya gamitin guys. Nagustuhan ko yung kulay at saka yung kalidad ng ating power bank. At saka, for 795 pesos, napakasulit po guys. So, I recommend this product guys. Napaka-legit at very useful po sa atin guys. And, ilalagay ko po yung link ng product na ito sa baba ng aking video.